Take a look around you. Your smartphone, the car or bus you rode in today, the lenses in your sunglasses, even the clothes you're wearing. What do they all have in common? Manufacturing, advanced manufacturing. They all started out with an idea, brought to life using state-of-the-art computer design programs, which created the tools and machines which then produced and delivered the end product. This is QCC's Quest Center, where you'll find the equipment, classrooms, and professors who can give you the skills you need to take advantage of the excellent job opportunities and great paying careers in the advanced manufacturing field. We are inside the Fab Lab in the Quest Center, and what we are seeing is the equipment that you are learning on that is hands-on, and that's what makes all the difference, and that's why the millions of dollars have been invested here at QCC. And the beauty of this also is not just the state-of-the-art equipment, but it's the connections that you are making while you are here inside the Quest Center at QCC, and those connections begin with your professors.
So we have a broad range of manufacturers in this area, from medical devices to metal machining and everything in between. What our students learn here is they learn how to create designs using tools like AutoCAD and SolidWorks, but they also learn how to program machines, how to program a CNC machine, how to program a robot. So they learn all those skills that they will need to hit the ground running in a manufacturing company. We have 3D printers, laser cutters, embroidery machine, and the idea is that it makes technology much more accessible to students. So students can come in here, they can learn how to create a design, and then how to actually make that design on one of the machines or multiple machines. This is part of our manufacturing program, but it's also accessible to other students and staff throughout the college.
I found the Fab Lab here, and it was just awesome. I could make anything I wanted for free. It's on a grant, so it doesn't have to be school related or anything. You just make anything that pops into your mind.
What do you see when you look at this? It looks pretty cool, right? This is somebody's imagination, but it's also an example of laser cutting and 3D printing and much more. And that's the kind of thing that happens here at the Fab Lab. This particular piece was done by a student in the Gateway program. That's high school, on to QCC, and then wherever their career path takes them, right into the workforce or on to a 4-year university after a tremendous savings at QCC.
We have some articulation agreements with the high schools, whereby students can get credit here for programs they do at high school. And in addition to that, we have agreements with 4-year colleges, such as Fitchburg State, where our graduates can easily migrate into a 4-year program.
There's an awful lot of QCC grads who either began as interns, now have jobs, or are now in the position to hire.
One of the companies we are linked with is IPG Photonics, and not only in the manufacturing program, but in our electronics program, we have a photonics option.
We have a very good relationship with Quinsigamond. They basically start as interns for the most part. That's a great way to start because they can continue going to school, they can work summers and kind of off season. And then, when they graduate, there's usually a place for them.
Boy, you really can get lost in here for hours. And whether you're going to become an engineer or you're headed into manufacturing, and there's good, high-paying jobs in those fields right here in central Massachusetts, or you just want to come on in and let your imagination soar. Use the Fab Lab resources for t-shirts, hats, engraved glass, whatever it may be. All those resources are right here in the multi-million-dollar Quest Center at QCC.
I would say absolutely go to QCC. It's not a huge burden like with other schools where you're going to be paying it off for years and years and years. And the experience you gain here is really valuable and will absolutely help you once you do move into the workforce.